Hey everybody, I'm coming to you today to show you the Scrapbook and Cards Today Sampler Kit. This is the last one I just got, and I've actually had probably, I'm thinking 5 of these. They come every month, and I will show you what you get in them. Every month there is a sentiment, and this one, the sentiment is hello. And honestly, there's a new one of these every month. You get a different kit, and with it you get this giant plastic letter, or word I should say, the same as the one in the middle. So I got hello there. You get 6x6 papers, and usually they're coordinated with, I would say, the theme of, the time of the year. So right now it's fall, so you get all these. These are all Paige Evans's Bungalow Lane papers. So they're double-sided. It's great. You can check out the different papers, and you can use these as a little mini album. You can use them as cards. You could use them in your junk journals. There's so many things that you could use these with. Then you get this. It's actually cut out. So there's one of those. This is awesome for journaling on. This is a little bit smaller. This is like, I'm guessing about a 4x4, or maybe it's a 3x3. This is folded over, so this is perfect for making a card. You can flip it what way you want it. It's already scored for you. There's an envelope, so you could send your card. And you get a whole bunch of 6x6 papers. Look at those. Look how awesome those are. Awesome colors. And I believe, but don't quote me on this, this is from Lawn Fawn. So these are some amazing colors, and this is like a little bit rainbowy, like it's yellows and greens. So you get that great assortment of 6x6. And then to top it off, you get even more. You get these awesome stickers. They're 3D. See the dimension in those? Those are from Bungalow Lane. You get these are also Paige Evans Bungalow Lane. It's like this awesome paper, it's stitched, nice little embellishment. You get these stickers made with love, some yarn, an apple, and a cat, right up my alley, and a small Lawn Fawn stamp, Dream. So you get that whole kit for a very, very low price, and I will put the link down below. And again, this is the Scrapbook and Cards Today Sampler Kit, and they do these every single month. So you sign up for it, you get it every month. You pay, I believe I can't remember if it's every 6 months or every year, but I will put that down below. But you can also check out the link. So this is another awesome scrapbooking and card making, junk journals, planners, whatever you want to use this for, it would be perfect. So check this out. I'm not compensated from Scrapbook and Cards Today. I just wanted to let you know how cool these kits are. So check them out. The link's down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the videos if you do. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day.